I'm working in the New Perspectives Microsoft Access 2010 textbook. I'm in Tutorial 3 on queries. I'm starting on page AC 114, and I'm going to search for a record in the contract table. Once I find that record, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to walk through these steps, starting a little differently than they do in the book. I'll start by opening up the contract table. Now I've been asked to find and delete record 3101. I can use the find feature as they do in the textbook, but we're not going to do that. We're going to make sure first that we click in the field that contains the value that we want to find. Even if you're using the find feature, that's the best way to start. So click in the field that contains the value that you want to search for. Then we're going to use the search box on the navigation bar, and I'll type in 3101. It'll take me to the first occurrence, and since this is a primary key, it should be the only occurrence of that value. Now what I want to do is I want to try to delete that record. So I'm going to click in the selection bar to the left of the record and click delete. I should get a message here soon that says that it's not able to do it. The record cannot be deleted or changed because the invoice table includes related records. Let's take a quick look at that. Go to Database Tools, Relationships, and as we can see, the contract number is in a relationship with the contract number in the invoice table. We have Enforce Referential Integrity set, which means that I cannot have a value on the many side of the relationship without first having a matching value on the one side of the relationship. We have Cascade Update related fields set, and we do not have Cascade Delete related records set. As it was explained in the book earlier, you really don't want to set Cascade Delete related records. You could make a mistake and delete a customer instead of an invoice. And if Cascade Delete related records was turned on, by deleting the customer, you delete the customer, the contracts, and all the invoices. And if all you were trying to do is delete an invoice and accidentally did the wrong thing, you would have to go back through and try to replace all of that data from your backup. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel on this. I'll close my relationship window. And what I'm going to do now is I'll click the plus sign to expand the subdata sheet. Now I can select all four of these records in the subdata sheet, and now I can click Delete and delete those records first. Then I should be able to delete 3101 because there are no longer related records in the invoice table. I'll click Yes. What we've looked at here is using the search feature in the navigation bar and how referential integrity prevents you from deleting a record until the records in the related table are first deleted. This is the end of this segment.